This right here is a Whoop 5.0, and this is the charger for the Whoop, and I'm going to teach you how to properly charge your Whoop 5.0. If this video helps you, all I ask in return is that you subscribe. Let's go. Okay, so here's how to charge your Whoop 5.0. I have a custom ban in here, so don't be thrown off by it. This is the 5.0, and if you don't know how to install a custom ban, we just posted a video on it. And I have my battery right here. This is the wireless battery. If you have a 5.0 device, you should have a wireless battery. If you're running the 4.0, then you might have the wire charger that they recently released with the 4.0s. I don't know why they did that, but well, this video will work for both of the cases. But the way you want to charge your Whoop, by the way, is by having it closed first. So you want to go ahead and close that strap. You want to close the clasp. Then you want to grab your battery, and you'll notice that it has kind of the W for the Whoop, and it has a light on top. Now that light will flash either red or green to indicate the battery of the charger or the battery of the battery pack. Now what you want to do is make sure it's on green. That means that you have 90 to 100% of battery available to charge your Whoop. If you have a 5.0 device, then you have a 14-day battery reserve. So this battery will charge your Whoop for 14 days, 2 weeks, okay? Now the way you want to charge your Whoop, guys, is by simply putting this battery on, sliding it on from the top of the Whoop. So this is the bottom of it, and if you have the regular band, this is where your W will land. Then you want to align it like this, where the light is on the top. Just simply slide it in like that until it gets to the end, and it should be charging your device. It's that simple. Now, of course, you could do this while your device is on, and this battery is actually waterproof. Not just the Whoop, but the battery itself is also waterproof. So if you didn't know, you could actually shower while still charging your Whoop. And just so you guys could see, I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery while the Whoop is on me right now. And there you go, the battery's on, and now the device is charging. And to take the battery off, you're not going to pull down, you're going to pull up to the other side, exactly to the same place you slide it in. And that is pretty much how to charge your battery. Of course, feel free to check the status of your battery on your phone. And if for some reason you still don't have a Whoop, I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below, the first link in the description, so you can get a free month of the Whoop. They will send you the device with the battery, they will send you the band, they will send you everything, and a free month of Whoop, so you could try it out using the first link in the description. But there you guys have it, how to charge your Whoop properly, your 5.0, your 4.0. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.